Alright, now since building AI processes is so much fun, let's create a business card reader. But this time, instead of creating an AI process from the create and creating it from scratch, I'm going to create it directly from this panel right here. So what this is going to allow me to do is I can click on it. I can also use it in an app and use it in a flow. If I click on use it in a flow, it will take me to the templates page and it will show me all of the processes and templates that I can use it right out of the box. I can choose one of these. I will select this one. This is the process that I want to use. So on a click, we are going to check a business card and we're going to copy the information from the business card and insert it automatically inside of a table inside and digitalize that information. So in this example, it is creating a Dataverse connection automatically for us and is building the entire process automatically for us. So this is the process that has been generated. Everything has been already filled out and I am basically ready to go. I could take my time and review the different details of this. So this is basically, it is creating a manual trigger that is an image. So add input file. So they created a file and then they used the predict option of analytics of AI builder on the business card model. It extracted all of this information, created dynamic data, and it allows it to insert it right here inside, creating a new record inside of a Dataverse table. So in this table, I have all of these columns and I can insert inside of all of those columns. If I click here, I have access to all of the parameters that are available that are extracted here from the prediction. But let's save this and let's test this and see if this is working. So this is right out of the box. So let's test this manually and let's test this. So I have found already a business card, which is this, but and let's try using it on this business card. So let's go right here and let's import this business card that I have saved right here. So let's run this flow. The flow has ran successfully, so we should get some results. So the prediction has run successfully. It is using the business card model and these are the names. So it is extracting, it has found the name, it has found the city, it has found the email, the address, and it can automatically insert all of this information. But not only insert it, we can also send an email right after this with all of this information to ourselves, or do whatever kind of action. Add an approval. Do we want to approve to insert it inside or no? So let's also check the bottom that is created a new record inside of a table. So a new record was created with all of this information. So that is how easy and simple it is to use AI Builder, either by creating new flows or using AI Builder. Now let's look at another example of AI Builder, but this time we are going to create our own model from scratch.